Oh yeah, bro, what is going on? I know this don't say Mike the Compass on it. Hey!
550, 600 hundreds, 720s, let's get straight to it.
Yeah! Yeah! What up, YouTube? Skirt, skirt! What up, bruh?
What's poppin'?
What y'all wear today, man? Bruh, how long does it take you to decide which shoes to wear? You know what I'm saying? Like, how long? I'd be like, the struggle. Yo, what up, guys? Welcome back to another video, man. Appreciate you guys for all the music recommendations yesterday. Y'all real ones. Appreciate all the support. It's lit, man. Y'all really showing love, man. Everybody that commented on the new video, I'm just gonna show you love because you left a comment. Go ahead. You ain't gotta say no notification gang. You ain't gotta say no sneaker fiend. Just leave a comment. Give me a like. Appreciate y'all. So to my surprise, bro, I got this monster package, right? And it's from Hibbett. Check this out. Look.
Look at this.
Focusing? I don't know if it's focused. I can't really see. But it says Michael. I'm Michael, bro. It says size 12. I'm a size 12, bro. I'm just messing with y'all, but yeah, man, this is a huge package. I don't know what's inside of it, so this is kind of a mystery, right? I don't know what's inside of it. You don't know what's inside of it. The title probably didn't tell you what's inside of it, so let's just crack this open. Let me check this. For some reason that's not working today. Dang, bro, I can't ever find a knife. All right, we're gonna try this one more time. It worked. What y'all know about that laser eye vision, dude? Nothing. It's magic. So I should be giving y'all like a POV top.
What?
But you don't care. You just want me to get straight to it, right? Dang, dude, what is this? All right, I ain't got time for all this. Ugh. What is that?
What is that?
Dang. Oh yeah, bro, what is going on? I know this don't say Mike the Compass on it. I know this don't say Mike the Compass on it, bro. What? Property of Nike Inc. I mean, they just use a decal, but hey, it says Mike the Compass, you know? Well, I want you to be a part of this, man. Are you watching? Ooh, boy. Nike Air, hold on, go ahead and read that. Read it to me, I can't see it.
Have you ever had a dream that you
Let's get into it, man. We ain't anybody trying to read, bro. We already graduated. I retired. Oh yeah. Dang, they didn't give me the special box for these. Don't even say the size. All right, man, so that's dope. I ain't got like a special edition box from somebody in a minute, so thank you guys, Hibbett. And look what we have, G. We got the Air Max 720. What y'all think about these, man? This is actually my first pair. I didn't really follow these too much. The air bubble looked crazy. I do wear a lot of my Air Max 97s. I didn't really give the 720s a chance. I didn't go out of my way to pick them up, but I don't know if you guys can see like the iridescent. Yeah, you can kind of see it. Let me try these on. I love my 97s for a fact. And I really like, as far as like working out has gone so far, I've just been wearing Nikes. I've kind of slipped away from Adidas. Only because like when I used to wear my Boost, I would just like rip right through them. So to have the 720s in hand. You guys can pick these up on Hibbett Sports if you want to. The link will be down below. But this is dope. Wow. Talk about blessed, man. Honestly, they low key kind of match my hoodie just a little bit. It's kind of funny because I was asking y'all what shoes did y'all wear, but low key these like really go with my fit. You feel what I'm saying or no? Kind of, just a little bit. This air bubble, bro. This is crazy. I'm about 6'7" with these things on. Definitely fit true to size. Y'all see them on, bro? They actually look sauce. They're comfortable too. You know, a Major Pain hits him with the 1-2 combo. I can't hear you. If you haven't seen Major Pain, bro, I don't know what you're doing. You guys have it, bro. I am like shocked. This is great. Wow. This box really say Mike the Compass on it. As far as the Air Max 720 goes, it's comfortable. It's definitely comfortable. Not a shoe that I would work out in. I don't know if this is specifically to work out in because I'm not really too big on working out with air bubbles. I personally work out in my Reacts. Let's do a little research. Okay, so I was right. This is a lifestyle shoe and it goes with my fit, so that's pretty lit. Any of you guys want a pair of these? Right now, they're comfortable. I think I'll wear them for a week and then I'll come back and let you guys know how they are. But comfortable shoe, bro. Very comfortable. That's what's up. This is crazy. If you do own a pair of 720s, be sure to let me know down below in the comments. What do you guys think of the 720? Let me know down below. But this is your boy Sneaker Life. I'll see you guys in the next one. Run it.
Hands in the air now.